Right, so this was a quick little job that we got someone out of trouble with. Basically, this is your old VanVan. This is a, I believe, but someone can tell me differently. So this is a mixture of two. So it's got the 70s wheels, seat, exhaust, forks, but it's in an early 2000 frame, which we have altered and fabricated. You can see swinging arm fabrication that's been done, all the tube work here that's been done. This is also a 4-stroke engine, and the 70s is a 2-stroke. So this is the 2-stroke exhaust that has been adapted to work on the later engine. And we've also done a lot of work on the headstock for them. So this is an amalgamation of two bikes from the 70s and the early 2000s. This is for another custom bike builder. So this is now, all our fabrication work is done on this now. So this will go to him for the final fettling. We all, obviously also, this is a 70s seat on an early 2000 frame. So we've grafted the sheet hoop on.